check it out, guys. You can see how it looks from the top. I'm gonna build a case over it, you know, like this, but looks nice, right? Jag Diff. Today, guys, we're gonna be dropping in the drive shaft. We got Yariel tuner in the house.
So we're going from a 30K, which he used to have, to 60K, and because he's gonna need the 60K because of the jack.
All the power.
Yes, sir.
And guess what? Even if it had a 100K, Jack can handle it.
Let's do it. That's 100 right there.
Whoop, whoop.
That's for us, though. That's for the J. Keep that on the
low. What J? What J are you thinking about? This J. What do you guys think? Look at that J. Look at that J. J. You guys know where the J is going, right? No, not that J. You guys seen his commercials lately?
Wait.
You seen his commercials?
J? Who's another J?
Right here, the J series going in this car. I know you guys probably seen it on one of our shorts, but show you on this. Check it out. Prelude is coming, and this is where our J series J to K build. Pretty nice. As we said before, we're not a roll cage company, but we have our personal cars now, so you know we have to do. Make sure everything's safe, everybody's safe. You know what I mean? And yeah. Also, you already know that's getting roll cage. We already got this bar bent already. That bar is bent. All chrome molly. We got King Jit. All the chrome molly stuff right here. Yep. Getting this vehicle ready for race wars.
To here, that would be the most, straightforward.
Solid, right? Man, this thing is
nasty.
This is like a beast, real beefy, man.
Right there.
Give me the viscous up. Well, you already made new brackets, Sony. Just trying to see what.
No. We're gonna
trying to see.
We want to see. This is how we had it before. We're gonna leave it like this, and then we're gonna put
the
the other
pieces
shaft on and see
okay.
how far we off. You can let go, honey. Let me see that. That's that 60K. It's hard.
You ready for that?
I don't know if the car is ready for me.
Damn.
Oh man, you gotta put that sheepskin on. Sheepskin gloves.
The track's not ready for him.
The return of the Havitech.
No more braking transmission, no more braking diff.
All right, $10,000 transmission,
Let's see.
$80 diff.
You said you done too. It's like 33.
33.
Yeah. Let's see.
Check it out. You got the back
Where's
piece.
that one?
It's right there in the car, in the roll car.
Okay. All right, let's see.
Come on, work.
33. That's the magic number. 33.
What? Oh snap! Perfect, bro. Oh no, adaptive. What's up with that flange? You can't believe you're saying?
Right.
There you go, guys. You don't. If you got a CRV, are you going Jag?
Hold on, let's not celebrate yet.
Okay, all right. No celebration. Back. Oh, as you were.
We're getting close.
Let's put this up on here. Okay, hold on.
Hold on, the back first.
Yeah, in the back.
Okay. Yari, hold this spot up here. So Yari got it. You can let it go. Please say it fit.
We might have to break it loose
Yeah.
and move the viscous copper back. Brother. Brother.
That's how
Damn.
flat rate
What the?
Thanks,
Oh,
guys.
oh. Yep. Lube tech.
Brother. That's it.
That's it.
That's
Holy
it.
That's it.
damn.
It's almost, yeah. It's a slip or not.
Well, you gotta.
Yeah.
It's stuck in there.
This thing will actually. Let me get the bolt.
Get 2 bolts in there.
Yeah.
See what's up.
That shit slide in perfectly.
That's crazy.
That's
I
good.
know.
It's a win-win.
That's that strong measurement right there on that.
No, that's eyeball, dude.
That's eyeball again. See?
Yeah.
See, that's why he got the bionic
No,
eye.
you know what? We're gonna have to slot this. Just
Right here.
like an eighth
Right
of an
here.
inch.
Because it's gonna burn the bearings. No.
No, you don't want to put pressure on it. You know that?
Yeah, you don't want to bind it.
So this is good though. This is good because now we could, actually show them what we're going to do to solve this problem. Because the front we don't care because there's a slip in here.
Yeah.
So this one here, all we're gonna do is, you see how we're gonna make this bracket. All we're gonna do is we're gonna slot it on both sides to
So
go
that it
this
just
way.
slides back.
It's just like literally like an eighth of an
It's
inch.
actually going to be easier to install the drive shaft too.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. What's next?
The small black one.
Cut.
Good for content.
Open up.
So we're doing it at the front. Don't forget, guys, we got the slip up front. So front part's gonna be perfect. The back part, we're still gonna adjust just a little bit, even though it looks perfect, guys. But with
16th of an inch. So.
like a 16th of an inch. Yep. So just want to show you guys. Check it. From CRV to Jag. All we did, change this to the Jag. 1310. No adapter plate.
Yeah.
Boom. So it can be done. Proof. You guys can also see this car
Yeah, this is
at
off.
Race Wars.
8/32 of an inch off.
So, okay, all right.
She gets like
Like this much.
yeah.
Yeah.
8/32 of an inch off.
Okay, yeah, man.
You're like what?
All right, guys. So, no one to see it. Jack Diff is here to stay.
That's
Definitely here to stay, guys.
perfect, dude.
So, here you got it.
No, está.
Front one is ready.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
There it is, guys. Like, subscribe. Gonna bring you some more videos soon. That's one built. JDK.
Always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping.
Gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game. S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all-wheel indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry. Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all-wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeletons.
Them wheels are always gripping. Them wheels wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and times.
Them wheels are always
Well,
gripping.
Gripping, don't get caught slipping. We ain't even on the straights, yeah. Warming up that A6. In Florida got the street cred. We rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch. B-Series or a ZC. And that LSV tech. Hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico. Racing for the pink slips. And ain't no 12 to catch us, so. K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20, MR2, and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF. Go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX. Before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and times. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and times. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and times.
Them wheels are always gripping. Them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skill and times.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.